Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we purchased in Jefferson Parish. We're in Metairie. We actually closed on it, I think about 10 days ago actually. So we closed on it, but the seller wanted a little bit of time to get some of the belongings they wanted out of it. So we did a post-purchase occupancy to give them 10 days to take the things they wanted, because there was just some sentimental things. They left a bunch of stuff too, which I can show you. So this property had been in the family a long time actually. I don't know if the parents built the house in the 70s or if they bought it as a new build, but they've basically been in here since the 70s. The parents passed away a while ago. You know, he inherited it, but they kept it for a little while. But it's time to move on. You'll see it's not in great condition. So it's a great old house, but needs everything. That's why he reached out to us. He wanted, an all cash as is, simple sale. So we're able to provide that for him. I'll show you around a little bit. There had been a leak upstairs into this room, which is why this is all gutted out here. So that's probably like the worst part of the house. The rest is just really old. So there's nothing wrong, but it's really old. You see the kitchen and appliances, got some mold and stuff. But you'll see, just super dated. So yeah, we're obviously gonna have to update this whole thing. But it's got some great bones, they took what they wanted, and this is the stuff they didn't want. So we're gonna have to get rid of this. Fair bit of stuff for us to get rid of. But that's okay. That's fine. We buy as is, so that's the benefit of selling to us. We don't mind if you leave stuff behind. We will just get rid of it. But yeah, it's a very dated house. I want to show you this. This carpet. This is the original carpet, but I think it was 77, right? So it's actually in really good shape. Like, obviously we're going to have to replace it because no one wants this color. It's very dated. But I'm just astounded at what good shape it is. They don't make things like they used to. And this is original carpet. So wow, that's pretty amazing. But yeah, obviously we're going to have to replace it. So this needs everything. This will be a full renovation. We're gonna absolutely update every single thing in this house. But that's what we do. So, if you have a house you want to sell, you don't want to do this yourself, this would be a really, really big project. Like, a lot of money, a lot of effort, and just not what the seller wanted to do. He was happy to sell it for cash in as-is condition and let someone like us come along and do it. So, if you're looking to sell a house in South Louisiana or Gulf Coast, Mississippi, reach out to us. We buy cash as is. We're really easy to work with. If you're inherited a property, we're happy to help with the succession. The succession was done actually, so that wasn't needed. But we buy houses very often when that the succession hasn't done, and our title attorney can do the succession as part of the closing, so you don't have to come out of put money up front. And if all the heirs are aligned, you can sign the agreement and we can move forward and get the closing happening. So reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Check out our website. You'll see more information about processes and frequently asked questions and case studies like this. So cheers, guys. Have a good one. Thank you.